Girls, so we're going to get to make our own penguin. So I'm going to show you the steps to do that, and then they're also going to be hanging on the board just in case you forget a step. So you're going to get to pick your own piece of background paper, whatever color you want. I'm going to use yellow, and then you're going to get lots of little paper, so you're going to have to go in an assembly line. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the body of the penguin. So you want to make sure that the bottom of the paper lines up with the bottom of the yellow paper. And you're going to cut the corners. So I like to snip off the corners first. And then I like to snip off those baby corners. And now you have the two rounded edges. Make sure that your paper is vertical, not horizontal, and that you only do the top two, not the bottom two. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to glue this down. So you want to make sure that when you use your glue stick, you want to put the glue on the outsides of the black and then go in the middle. This way your paper won't fall off. So you'll flip it over and glue it to the very bottom of the paper. The next thing you'll do is make the wings. So you're going to get your black square paper and you're going to turn it to a diamond. Now once you've turned it to a diamond, you'll take a pencil and you're going to make a line from corner to corner. Next, you're going to cut up that line to make two triangles, or the wings. You'll put the glue down on the edges, flip them over, and glue them down. There's one, and there's the other. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have the tummy of the penguin. So you're going to use this white piece of paper. You want to make sure that it's vertical the long ways, not horizontal, because horizontal doesn't fit on here. Vertical does. So you want to do that, and you're going to do the same thing you did with the black paper. You're going to cut those corners, just the top two. So you're going to snip, snip, and then snip those baby corners off. And you'll glue it down. Put the glue on the outside, and maybe in the middle, and line it up to the bottom of the paper, right in the middle, and you've got your belly. The next thing you'll do is you'll do the eyes. So when you do the eyes, if you put these together and cut the corners, all corners this time, and then snip the baby corners off, you'll get an oval. Now that you have your two ovals, you can glue them down. Okay, now it's time for the nose. When you do the beak is probably the hardest part. You're going to take it and you want to draw a triangle. So from here all the way to the middle of the paper, and from this corner all the way to the middle. And then you cut that out. And you'll glue it down. Now when you glue it down, you don't want to glue it over top of the eyes. You want to put it right below so it's touching. Now I would make sure that you don't glue the bottom parts of this down just yet until after we get the scarf. So then you're going to go and you're going to get to pick three long pieces of paper. Two need to be the same color and one needs to be a different color. So I've got a total of three. The two are for your scarf. So you're going to take it, you're going to put glue on the back, and you're going to glue it right underneath. And then you can glue this down. Now you need your little part of the scarf that hangs down. So you're going to take this, cut it in half, and then you're going to fringe it. And glue it down. You want to make some sort of pattern on the scarf, so you can do circles, squares, that's going to be up to you. I like to cut little rectangles just to make the stripes. And I'm going to glue those down. I could do one going this way as well. After you do that, you need the black pupils and then the earmuffs. So you're going to take the two corners that you cut from your big piece, put them together, and you can draw a circle and then cut those out. Glue them on for the pupils. And the last thing are the ears. So you can choose to do, you're going to have to go get another color. I didn't get enough, so maybe I want to do orange. So I'm going to go get another orange strip. Like this. And I'm going to put these two together. And you're going to draw a puff ball that takes up the entire space. So I like to touch the corners, touch the edges, and there's the puff ball. Then I'm going to put these two together, and I'm going to cut it out. And then I'll glue those down right there. The last part is the bar. You're going to come meet me at the back table at the very end to do this. I will draw it out for you and you're going to cut it out. So I like to measure it out and then I draw it from here to here. If you think you can do it yourself, you can go ahead and do that. These will be at the back table with me and you'll cut it out and glue it down. Next class period, we are going to get to do the snowflakes and the glitter. So this is as far as we'll go today. You're going to put your name at the bottom hand corner. Have fun!